Mayeni's sisters, they had a conversation with the Musamseleku, but it looks like they don't understand Musamseleku because Mayeni was supposed to be Musamseleku's first wife. Musamseleku told Mayeni's family that he want to have East Temple polygamy, and her parents didn't agree with Musamseleku's decision. Mayeni and Musamseleku got separated, but they are continuing. You've got a relationship secretly. Mayeni's parents did not know until Mayeni get pregnant. At that time, Mayeni get pregnant with the Mpumelelo, and Musamseleku was married to Macele. So Mayeni agreed to marry Musamseleku. Musamseleku have got already have two wives, Macele and Masaule. But Mayeni agreed to marry Musamseleku. It looks like it's Musamseleku's fault that Mayeni came as the third wife sometimes. That's why you saw Musamseleku always respecting Macele, because Macele tolerate Musamseleku and respect Musamseleku's decision. Mayeni's family, they don't like Musamseleku. I don't understand why. Because Musamseleku told them the truth that he want to have Istanbul the same way he did to Macele's family. Macele's family agreed with the Musamseleku's decision. Even Macele's mom was still alive. So sometimes we don't understand people what we want. Even Mayeni's parents, they don't like Musamseleku like maybe Macele's family. I don't understand what's going on because they know that their daughter now he is going to be the third wife of Musamseleku. Mayeni was supposed to be the first wife. It looks like it's Musamseleku's fault. They want to blame Musamseleku, but are those people who didn't agree with the Musamseleku's decision at the first time? Why Mayeni agreed to marry Musamseleku if she doesn't want to have Istanbul? She was supposed to move on with her life. Even Mayeni was already pregnant with Mpumelelo. Other women are being married with their kids. She was supposed to be married on monogamy with another man than to being married with Musamseleku. Have got polygamy. It was better if she doesn't want to be on Istanbul. You understand? Because it shows that Mayeni loves Musamseleku. When she agreed to marry Musamseleku, we have got already two wives, Macele and Masaule. And Mayeni took that decision and agreed. It looks like maybe it's his fault now. Mayeni says she didn't listen to her parents. Her parents was warning her about Istanbul, and Mayeni was the one who didn't listen because she loves Musamseleku. Why now? Sometimes they want to blame Musamseleku, Mayeni's parents. We don't understand them because the problem is their daughter. Their daughter was the one who took the decision to marry Musamseleku. Understand? Because Musamseleku told them that he want to have Istanbul. And now maybe to marry Makwela is like a crime, or it's not a crime. Because even Mayeni, when she married to Musamseleku, we have got Masaule. Masaule agreed. Macele agreed. You understand? And Macele understand Mayeni's story. And it looks like maybe Mayeni and Musamseleku are those people who are betraying Macele, because you can't guys to having an affair with your ex. You moved on with your life. You understand? Musamseleku was the one who betrays Macele. We don't want to lie. Musamseleku betrays Macele because those people, they are continuing, have got a relationship in secret, Mayeni and Musamseleku. And Mayeni knows that Musamseleku have got a wife. But it looks like maybe Macele was the one who took Mayeni's husband. What? Even you meet Musamseleku at the first time, but his first wife is Macele. You understand? Mayeni want to blame even Makumalo, what, yo, Makumalo betrays me, what. But Mayeni betrays Macele. We don't want to lie. Because Mayeni was continuing dating a married man at that time. They were sleeping together with the Musamseleku. But she knows that Musamseleku is married to another wife. And they took a decision they have to get married because she loves Musamseleku. But there is no need to complaining every time.